second graders, today you're going to model two-digit addition with regrouping. And how we are going to do that is not how this lesson is taught. We're going to do it by stacking and adding. Okay? This way is confusing, so we're just going to stack and add. Understand? Okay, so here's the problem for this front question. Brandon has 24 action figures. His friend Mario has 8 action figures. How many action figures do they have? Okay, how many action figures does Brandon have? Does anybody remember?
24.
24. So, I'm just going to not worry about this. We're just going to pretend like this does not say tens and ones. You don't have to cross anything out. Just pretend like it doesn't right now, okay? So, I'm going to write 24 on here. Okay? Now, can you guys tell me what place value is the 4 in? Landon? The 1s. What place value is the 2, Xander? 10s. Okay, now, then it says Mario has 8 action figures. Is 8 a 1s number or a 10s number? Grayson?
In one number.
It's a 1s number. So boys and girls, when you stack and add, so you're going to stack 8 to 24. Where do you think, if it's a 1s number, where are we going to put the 8? Kinley? Under the 4. Okay? If you put it under the 2, you will not get the right answer. Okay? You will get the wrong answer. You have to make sure that if it's a 1s number, it is under the 1s place. Understand?
And if it's a 10's number, it has to be under the 10.
You'll have the first number under the 10s, and then the ones part of that, then yes, will be under the 10s. We'll keep doing this so you can learn some more. Okay? Okay, but this is important that when you only have one 1s number, that you put it under there. Okay? All right, now we are going to add. When we stack and add, this is very important. Are you listening? When you stack and add, you have to add the 1s first. You have to add the 1s first. Okay? So we're going to add 8 plus 4. What is 8 plus 4? Isaac?
She has it up to first.
12. Okay. Now, can we do this?
No.
No. Okay. When you write 12, boys and girls, the 2 is the 1s number, right? The 1 is the 10s. So, when you guys are writing 12, you have to put the 2 under the 1s number because that's the 1s. Okay? But the 1 is the 10, so you have to put it on top of the 10 side. Okay? Because that's still showing 12. A 1 and a 2. That's how you write 12. 1 and a 2, right? Okay? But the 1s has to go on top of the 1 has to go on top of the 10s now. Okay? Then you can add the 10s together. We have a 2 and now a 1. What is 2 plus 1, everyone?
3.
So that goes under here. Okay, so what is our answer? How many action figures do they have together? 32. Okay, go to the next page. Okay, we're going to practice this one, okay? But you're not going to work it out like they're working it out. Okay, we're going to stack and add. So I just want your eyes to be up here. You don't even have to do anything right now. I will just get you the answer, but we're going to work it out together. Okay? So the problem says 25. So what do I do first? You guys tell me. Lena?
Do 37.
So write 37.
And then do a block.
Where?
Right.
Maybe we should write the other number first.
Okay. Put 25
So where do I put the 25?
down below.
Below. So the 2 is going to go where?
And the 10s.
In the 10s. So under the 3. And the 5 is going to go where?
And the 1.
In the 1s. Under the 7. Then you can write your line. And then you can put your add sign. Your add sign is supposed to go in front of the bottom. Okay? Now what do I do? Now what do I do? Aaron? Add the 1 side. 7 plus 5. What is 7 plus 5? Matthias? 12. Again, we got a 12 again. Now remember 12. The 2 is the 1s. The 1 is the 10s. So where am I going to put the 2? Landon?
Below the 5.
Below the 5. Where am I going to put the 1? Ivan?
Below the 2.
Below the 2? Not below the 2. Okay? Not beside the 2. Okay, which 2 are you talking about anyway? Are you talking about this 2 or this 2? This bottom one? No. No, we're still not doing that one either. Okay? Remember on the last one, look at the front side of your paper. Where did they put the 1 the last time on the front side of your paper? Ivan? We put the 2 here for 12, but where did we put the 1? Put it on the top of the 10.
Stop writing.
So where are we going to put the 1, Xander?
Just put your pencil down and focus.
On top of
Leave
the
it alone.
3. Okay? You're going to put it on top of the 3. This is what you call regrouping. Okay? When you put the 10s over here, you're regrouping the 10s to be with 10. Okay? So, and you're adding some to the 10s. You're adding a number to the 10s. Okay? So now we have 3 numbers on the 10s. What do we do now? Kinley? Add up all the 10s. So we get 1 plus 3, which is what?
4.
4. And 4 plus 2 is
6.
6. So what is our answer?
62.
62. 37 plus 25 is 62. Write that right here, please. How many 10s is that? 62. How many 10s is in 62? Jason? 6 10s. How many 1s are in 62? Lene? How many 1s? 2. Okay. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to hand you out a paper. Has lines on it to help you stack and add and keep them straight. Okay? So you're going to do 1 through 9, which is the share and show and the on your own. Not doing number 10. Okay? You're going to do 1 through 9 on this front page. And then you on the back side is where you can do your homework questions. Okay? So this is going to have to be used for both this practice stuff and the homework stuff. Okay? So I'm going to hand it out to you. And then we're going to go over one problem together. Okay, so on the paper, we're going to be doing number 6. Okay, so on your line paper, you need to be where the number 6 is. Right? It's 6 in a circle. Okay. And then we're going to do this. What does it tell us to add on number 6? Actually, I want to do, let's do number 4. Because number 6 adds to 12 again. So let's just do number. Well, no, let's just do one. Okay, let's do number. You choose 8 or 9. Which one, everybody?
9.
Okay, we're gonna do number 9. So we're gonna do number 9. Now you're gonna be at the bottom one. Everybody understand? Okay, we're gonna do number 9. What is the first number? Looking at your paper on your own, what are we going to add? What's the first number we're going to add? Isaac?
27 and 68.
Okay, so by the number 9, kind of give yourself a little space, and then write the number 27. Okay, and then what was the other number that we're going to add? Jason? Where do we write 68? Where do you think we would write 68? Put the 6 under the 2. Put the 8 under the 7. Correct. Okay. Now they have this line for you, okay? So you don't have to make your own line. All right? Plus sign for adding. Okay, plus sign for adding. Now what do I do? Grayson? Jaren?
Add the 1.
Add the 1 side. What is the 1 side? What are the 2 numbers that we're going to add if we're adding up the 1s, Grayson?
7 plus 8.
7 plus 8. What is 7 plus 8, Lena?
15.
15. Okay. So the number is 15, right? Right? Okay, look up here. The 5 is in what place? Everyone?
1.
The 1s. Always on the very, very side is the 1. The 1 is in the what place? Everyone?
10.
The 10s place. So when we write 15, because 7 plus 8 is 15, the 5 has to go where? Matthias? 5 has to go where? We write 15. It has to go on the 1 side, which is where? Right below the 8. You're going to write the 5 for 15, right below the 8. Okay? Now we still have to write 15. Where's the 1 for the 15 going to go, Ivan? Bingo. On top of the 2. On top of the 10 side, right? On top of the 2. Okay. Now what do we do? Chase? Add the 10s. 1 plus 2 is what? I always do 2 numbers first. Yes. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6. What's 6 plus 3 plus 6? Yes, 9. So what is our answer?
95.
Okay, so this is what I want you to do on your worksheet page. You write 95, and then how many 10s is 95?
9.
9, and how many 1s is 95?
5.
5. Okay? So that's what I want you to do. Everybody understand?
Yeah.
Okay, you and your partner are going to do share and show, and then you're doing on your own by yourself.